Troubleshooting IPTV buffering on Fire TV stick. Are you tired of your IPTV freezing right when the game gets exciting? It is frustrating to watch that spinning circle instead of your favorite show. Do not worry, you can fix this buffering issue yourself at home. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get a smooth streaming experience. If you face any difficulty, please leave a comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Tech Vibes for more real tech tips. First, let us try a simple restart. This clears temporary glitches that slow down your device. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then select Restart. Wait for the device to reboot fully. Next, clear the app cache. Overloaded cache is a major cause of buffering. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications. Select your IPTV app, then select Clear Cache. This frees up critical memory. Check your internet speed. For HD streaming, you need at least 5 megabits per second. You can download a speed test app from the Amazon App Store to verify your connection speed right on your TV. If possible, connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network instead of 2.4 GHz. 5 GHz is faster and has less interference. This provides a much more stable connection for streaming video content. For the most stable connection, use an Ethernet adapter. A wired connection is always better than Wi-Fi for IPTV. It eliminates signal drops and ensures a constant flow of data to your device. Always keep your device updated. Software updates often include fixes for streaming performance. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to About, then select Check for Updates. Install any available software now. Close background apps that you are not using. These apps consume RAM and slow down your IPTV stream. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications. Select Unused Apps and choose Force Stop to free up resources. Try changing your DNS settings to Google or Cloudflare. Go to your network settings and set DNS1 to 8.8.8.8 and DNS2 to 8.8.4.4. This can improve connection stability. Sometimes your internet provider slows down IPTV traffic. This is called throttling. Using a high-speed VPN can hide your activity and stop this throttling. This often fixes buffering issues instantly and keeps your stream smooth. If nothing else works, a factory reset is your last resort. This will wipe all data and settings, so only do this if you have tried everything else. It can clear deep system issues that cause persistent buffering. With these steps, your buffering issues should be gone. Stay confident and enjoy your streaming. Thank you for watching Tech Vibes. I will see you in the next one.